one serious about this but you.
To be the leech devil. May I swallow?
Do it. You watch for more devils, Himeno.
On it.
We found your arm. The one I was chummy with is the I'm baffled yet again. You sympathize with devils every time. If you can accept my one single condition, I'll let this thing slip. Follow all of my commands to the letter. You're a dumbass with a broken moral compass. Want to protect your lifestyle? I highly suggest you listen to if you understand.
See? Am I not innocent?
Leech Devil instigated a counterattack. Special Division 4 handled that threat. I won't argue that, but why's my place psychocentral? Hey, do not throw your foot! Not in this house.
That's nasty.